Today I will show you how to make a project in Irish lace technique. We divide our work on some parts. We pin a picture on a mat and flowers. Then we make cord made of rings. Continue, I will crochet a leaf on burden, small elements and big elements. I sew all elements together and filling up the space between motifs by chaotic mesh. I decorated my Irish project by beads and finishing the work by covering the project with cotton cloths and steam it off. For work you need a mat, painting on paper, beads, crochet hook, flowers, pins and thread. We pin a painting on a mat. Let's start the work. I pin the flower on the painting. Then I will be crocheting the cord made of rings. To make a padding ring, experiment by wrapping the thread 5 times around the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am holding all thread on the marker, then I take off all thread from the marker. Insert the hook into the ring by making a chain. Then I am working with single crochet stitches. Make single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It should be 17 of them. The single crochet stitches should be connected close to each other. Keep working in this way till you will have 17 single crochet stitches. Once we have done single crochet, insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning by making a slip stitch. Our first padded ring is made. Let's make the second one. Chain 2, pull up the working loop, wrap the thread 5 times around the marker. First is done, we need to do 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. In total it should be 5 times. Take off all threads from the marker. Insert the hook into the ring by making a chain. I am working with single crochet as well. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. We have made the second padded ring. You should continue the work and you need to make 4 more such rings. In total it should be 6 of them. For demonstration I have made such cord. I made 3 first rings with marker, then for these 2 rings I used pencil and the last one was made by crochet hook. By the finishing you will get such 2 simple Irish cord. One of them consists of 6 padded rings and the second cord made of 8 rings. I pinned these 2 cords on the painting and we continue. Now I will make this element. I put the thread and I desire the length of the element by thread. Let's begin to make element. Let's make our element. Folded yarn in a half 5 times. It will be the base as called burden. Insert the hook between the yarn of the burden, pull up a loop and make a chain. Then I will be working with single crochet stitches in a row. Make single crochet around the base or a burden, like this. Insert the hook around the burden, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops by making a single crochet. Repeat again. Please make single crochet densely. Here what we have so far, and now I need to do the spiral. We hold the stitches with help by hand and constrict the burden. As a result, we have got a bend. I would like to make a round. For this, insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Then under the burden and pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops. Now we have got a ring. Then I'm going to crochet single crochet stitches till the end of the yarn. We have just done the spiral element, and now I will show you how to complete it. Turn to the back side, wrap the yarn and attach them to work like this. And I will be sewing the working yarn to the spiral. Please look carefully how I am doing it. Like this. Continue the working. You need to sew 1 centimeter. You can trim the rest of the thread. I pinned the spiral to the painting. Then I'm going to work with this leaf. This one. Let's make the next element. Folded yarn in half 7 times. It will be the base as called burden. Insert the hook between the yarn of the burden, pull up a loop and make a chain. Then I will be working with single crochet stitches in a row. Insert the hook around the burden, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops by making a single crochet. And let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5. Constrict a little bit. Continue. In total they should be 35 single crochet. I have just done the cord on the burden. Now we have 35 single crochet stitches. We stop at this point. I don't cut off the yarn. Here this is the simple cord. I remind you that the base of the cord is burden, that is folded yarn in half 7 times. Now I will make a trim. I take variegated yarn, insert the hook into the first stitch, take the working yarn, pull up a loop and make a chain. Then single crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into each of next 7 stitches. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Three double crochet in a row. 1, 2, and 3. Then treble crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Yarn over 2 times to work with first treble crochet and make treble crochet. The second one through the next stitch and make the third one through the next stitch. Treble crochet twice into each of next 3 stitches. 1, make the second time, and make the last time through the next stitch. Once we have done treble crochet twice into each of next 3 stitches, now 3 treble crochet in a row. 1, 2, and 3. Double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. 7 half double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to do 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. I cut off the variegated yarn. Let's look what we have now. To complete this sleeve, you should sew both sides together like this with a help yarn that we cut off. I will sew the beginning of the leaf to the end of the stitches in the cord, and by the end it should look like this. Continue the work. I put the thread on the cord like this. You need to sew them together using a working thread. We have sewn the burden, and now I have already cut off the yarn. This is the back side of the work, and let's take a look at the front side. Here, this is our leaf. I will pin the leaf on the painting. I pinned the ready leaf. I have made the bigger leaf with the spiral in the same way as I crocheted in the tutorial. The trim was made violet color, then dark violet. In the second part I will show you how to complete such project in Irish lace technique.